Hi yogis! This is a yoga for baseball players. So anyone that wants to improve your sport in baseball, this is a great sequence. If you just want to practice just getting stronger and more focus and more balance, then it's a great practice. So we always start with yoga by working on our breath to help bring ourselves into that centered state. You know, when we are in game and focused and on the ball or in the flow or in the zone, they say, we're really focused and concentrated. So the breath helps us get there. So this is called the 3-part breath. And when you're ready, close down your eyes. You can bring one hand to your belly and one hand to your chest. And just feel your breath as you inhale. Belly, ribs, chest, and feel your chest as you exhale. Chest, ribs, belly. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Couple more breaths, just really feeling the breath in our body. Notice how your hands feel as your breath moves in. And notice how your hands feel as your breath moves out. Beautiful. When you're ready, you can release, and then you can set your intention for your practice today. So an intention is where you want to focus your energy. This could be to improve your strength, improve your core, your balance, whatever it is. Take a moment just to set that, maybe mentally repeating it in your mind. And we'll begin. So the first pose is when you are in the dugout, when you are in a practice or when you are waiting to bat. This is a great exercise to open the hips, and it's called seated pigeon. So you can take one leg up and keep a nice flexed foot. And then as you exhale, just gently press down that knee, opening the hips. We're going to take 3 breaths here. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. 2 more breaths, just like this. Inhale, let that fly in. And exhale, flies out. Inhale, flies in. Exhale, flies out. So you can do this pose for 3 breaths or around 30 seconds. So let's switch. I like to notice the difference between my left and right side. Again, it brings more awareness to the body, which can always help in sports. And then let's go to the other side. Bring it up onto the knee, the ankle, flex the foot. Inhale, sit up nice and tall. And exhale, gently press down the knee to open the hips. And here we'll take 3 breaths. Feel the inhale fly in. And fly out. Fly in. And fly out. Inhale, flies in. And fly out. And then exhale, release, and notice the body. Excellent. All right, so the next one, you'll need your baseball bat. If you don't have a baseball bat handy, a towel, a blanket, anything will work for this. And we're just going to do seated side bend. So inhale, bring the bat up over the head, and exhale, tip to one side. Eye gaze looks down. Breathe in and out. 2 more breaths. Breathe in and out. And in and out. Inhale, come back to center. Let's go to the other side. Exhale, tip to the other side. Look down. Inhale and exhale. Feeling a nice stretch through the side of the body. 1 more breath. And on the next inhale, bring the hands up and release. Put the bat out of the way. We're going to need it in a moment. We're going to move the chair. And now we're going to work in our lunge with a bat. So low lunge means the knee is on the ground. We're going to bring one foot in front of us and make sure the knee and the ankle are aligned. So we don't want the knee to go over the toes. We always want to keep a nice 90-degree bend here. And this is going to stretch this muscle here, the hip flexors. So take your bat, inhale, lift it up, And exhale, sink into the pose. 3 breaths. Inhale, fly in. And exhale, flies out. Inhale, flies in. Exhale, flies out. Inhale, flies in. And exhale, flies out. Good. Release the bat. And let's go to the other side. So switch the legs. Leg comes behind. Other leg comes up. Again, making sure there's that 90-degree here between the knee and the hip. Take your bat. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, sink. Inhale, fly in. Exhale, fly out. Inhale, fly in. Exhale, fly out. Inhale, fly in. And exhale, fly out. Wonderful. Nice stretch of the hip flexors. Release the back, release the legs. And now what we're going to do is, these are 3 wonderful postures for after game. So after game, it's important to relax and stretch out the muscles. This is a wonderful pose that you can do against a wall. It's called legs up the wall. So bring your bum as close to a wall as you can, and then come down onto your back and reach the legs up. I like to bring my hands up too, and this just helps with circulation with the feet and the hands. We'll take 3 breaths here as the inhale flies in and out. Fly in and out. Last breath, inhale and exhale. And now we can do happy baby. So you can stay against the wall and just bend the knees. Now you can bring the hands to the ankles, or if the hips are a little bit more flexible, maybe even hold the side of the feet. And just to open the hips. 3 breaths. Inhale, flies in and out. Inhale, flies in and out. Inhale, flies in and out. Good. Our last after game stretch is reclining twist. So here you're going to have to move yourself away, back onto your mat. Bring your knees in, and your knees are going to come to one side. So here, the knees again are at that 90-degree, palm over palm. We're going to inhale and find length, and exhale, open your hand into a T. Land both shoulder blades on the mat, and if it feels okay, you can look in the opposite direction of your knees. 3 breaths. Inhale, flies in and out. Inhale, in and out. Inhale, flies in and out. Come back to center, and let's go right to the other side. So knees come to the other side, 90-degree, palm over palm. Inhale, lengthen, and then exhale, open the hands into that twist. If it feels okay with the neck, you can turn and look in the opposite direction. Shoulder blades on the ground. 3 breaths. Inhale, flies in and out. In and out. In and out. Excellent job. Come back to center. And our last pose, legs extended long on your mat,